Hello viewers, welcome to our channel TechVideos. In this video we are sharing with you how to put images on t-shirts in Photoshop CS6 very easy way, so keep watching till the end, and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel, and thumbs up like button. First open Adobe Photoshop, then go to File option, select Open option, choose your photo wick photo if you want to edit. Select Quick Selection tool from the left panel, or press W key. Select T-shirts area. Now right-click on your T-shirts. Click on the Layer by Copy option. Again right-click on the document. Click on the Duplicate Layer option. OK. Now open any image. I want to put this image on my t-shirt. Just drag and drop on your main image. Now click on the Edit option. Free Transform. Now click on the layer icon. Move up Copy Layer, and uncheck this option. Right-click on the layer 2. Choose to create clipping mask. Now check this Copy Layer, and select Copy Layer. Click on the normal option. Select Overlay. Decrease some opacity. I want to add another image. You can follow the same process. I hope you enjoy this simple video. Share this video with your friends want to know how to put images on t-shirts in Photoshop CS6. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel for more Photoshop tutorials videos, and thumbs up like button.